Hello, welcome to TechSharmat. In this session, we will cover the further values from RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I'm taking the program in edit mode. Here you can see that as usual, we have declared two variables, and this time also we are declaring these variables by referring to IBM official website. So once variable declaration is done, then you can directly use the command. So just write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4. And here you are supposed to pass two parameters. First one is the value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where you want to hold the output. After that, if you want to know more about these values, then you can press F1 here, and it will open a help screen for you where you will find the description of all possible values that we can retrieve from the system using RTVSYSVAL command. So from here you will get the information, and then you can simply utilize the value inside your program. Okay, so these are the value that we have already covered in our previous session. So I'm directly taking you to the latest value that we are going to discuss today. So let me take you to that point. Yes, so today we are going to discuss this value, which is QVFYOBJRST, which means verify object on restore. This system value specifies the policy to be used for object signature verification during a restore program operation. This value applies to object of types star CMD, star PGM, star service program, star SQL PKG, and star module. It also applied to star STMF object which contains Java program. This value also specifies the policy for PTFs applied to the system, including license and internal code fixes. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So if you want to know more about this, then you can refer this particular from the IBM official website. Now the second value we are going to discuss is QYEAR. Year changes made to the system value take effect immediately. Now I'm hitting enter. So likewise we are retrieving the other values. Let me take F12. Yes, so this is the second value that we are retrieving. So once you got the value in respective variable, then we are good to print it. So I'm printing it with the help of sndpgmmsg command. So just write sndpgmmsg, press F4. Here you can pass the variable. And similarly we are printing the second value. As these are already of type characters, we can pass it directly. So I'm compiling it. Compile successfully. Now I'm calling it. So first output is 1, second is 23. So this is how we can retrieve the system value from system using RTVSYSVAL command. So by this session we have covered all the values, all the possible value that we can retrieve from the RTVSYSVAL command. And yes, there are few values that we are not going to use anymore, but still we prepared the series so that at least we have some idea of all the values that we can retrieve from the system. Although we are not going to use these things anymore, like as per the requirement, it might be there might be some need when you are requested or supposed to use these kind of values. Otherwise we will go with the modern approach like SQL, RPGL and other modern stuff. But still we should be aware of all those possible values that we can retrieve using RTVSYSVAL command. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmat.